movie and entertainment press or friends. Kamusta ba po dinner? And ako ngayon po we are here at the grand press conference of the biopic that will soon hit the big screen, Felix Manalo, the movie. Just a brief background, Felix Manalo, the movie, is a historical epic that traces the origins and growth of Iglesia ni Cristo. The story revolves on the life of its first executive minister, Felix Manalo, highlighting his role in the spiritual lives of Filipinos. It covers an extensive timeline starting from colonial Philippines up the 1960s. Giving life to the movie is a stellar cast, top billed by the award-winning Dennis Trillo, the very beautiful Bella Padilla, and together with almost 100 fine actors and actresses portraying important and supporting roles for this movie. And of course, working behind the camera are some of the film industry's award-winning names in both creative and technical aspects of movie making. In short, Felix Manalo, the movie, is a gathering of illustrious showbiz personalities and top-notch production team. A masterpiece indeed. Palakpakan po natin sa lang lahat. Now, I'm sure you all want to get a first glimpse of our highly anticipated film, and we won't keep you waiting. Here is the teaser of what awaits you in the movies. Sensya na may nag-i-interview pa sa labas. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the production team and cast members of Felix Manalo, the movie, isa pong gantong palakpakan po para sa kanila. Everyone involved in the film had a memorable experience, kasama po ako doon, giving life to this epic movie. From the costumes and elaborate production design, from the moving musical score to craftful editing, and from the masterful cinematography to the heartfelt and outstanding portrayal of the actors, lahat po yan ay talaga namang pinag-aralan ko at pinaghirapan ng lahat. And to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, here's a special look of the behind the scenes of the making of Felix Manalo, the movie. Let's all watch.
O isa pelikula, ang buhay ng kapatid naman.
Itong project na to, di ba, it has gone through stages, like, we call it parang dumaan na sa maraming rehimen. Like, 3 years na, di ba? From different directors.
Kaya sa panahon natin ngayon, 21st century, hirapan ng pamamahal na maisabuhay muli o maisapelikula ang kasaysayan ng kapatid na Manalo upang yung mga henerasyon natin ngayon ay malaman kung ano talaga ang pinagdaanan ng kapatid na Manalo, sino ba talaga si kapatid na Felix Manalo, at higit sa lahat, saan nagmula ang lahat ng nakikita natin ngayon sa inyo.
Dapat hindi ba ito bukas sapagkat mag-iindig ang bansa laban sa bansa.
On October 7, in close 300 theaters, cinemas nationwide po, sa abangan po natin yan. And we will also have a premiere showing on October 4 at the Philippine Arena, which will be transformed into a theater with a gigantic 40 by 22 meter screen. Naku, pumunta po tayong lahat dyan para sa premiere showing. And at this point, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of the other cast members of Felix Manalo, the movie, who are with us here tonight. Mr. AJ Mulak as the young RD, Alan Paule as kapatid, Anya Aguilar as young Avelina, Andrea de Rosario as Salvador's wife, Arkin de Rosario as young Salvador, Carl Acosta as the young Felix Manalo, Edison Piloton as the young Dominador, Jackie Wu as Reverend Nakada, John Lucas as Bien Santiago,